Hello guys, welcome back to the part 2 video of percentage, which is based on salary related problems. So I have already put videos on salary related problems part 1. So kindly check it if you haven't checked it. Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Let's quickly get into the part 2 video. Okay. Yeah. So a man spends 60% of his salary. If his salary is increased by 30 percentage, then his expenditure also increased by 20 percentage. Find the percentage, increase percentage divided by, or it is not divided, or decrease percentage of his salary. Okay, so as usual, what I have told you, we have to assume the salary is rupees 100 or rupees like 100 percentage, whatever it is. So let us keep our income or salary. Income or salary. Okay. So this is expenditure. Expenditure, I'm just writing it as EXP. And savings, SAV, savings I'm writing. So if your salary, let me just write it as in green. If your salary is 100, 60 percentage is he spends. So 60 percentage if he spends, here, see the first sentence, 60 percentage of his salary spent. So how much he'll save? 100 minus 60, you'll be having 40. That you know. You're having 10, if you spend 6 rupees, 10 minus 6 is 4. Likewise. Okay. Now, what are you supposed to find? It is increased by 30 percentage. So, your income is increased. So, already your income is 100 percentage. If you're increasing by 30 percentage is 130. Okay. So, next one is 130. It is increased. I'm just assuming if your 100 percentage is 100 rupees, if it is 30 percentage is increase, it is 130. That's it. Okay. In that, what are they saying? They are saying the expenditure is also increased by 20 percentage. So I have to find 20 percentage of expenditure. 20 percentage of 60. Simply, if you see my first video, for 20 percentage, what you'll write? 60, like 1 by 5 is your fraction. If it is 20 percentage. So 60 into 1 by 5. How 1 by 5? Go check my part 1 video of basics. So if 50 percentage represents as 1 by 2, 20 percentage will be represented as 1 by 5 because 100 by 20. I explained it now itself. So you will be having it as 12. So 20 percentage increase means 60 plus 12. So this is nothing but 72. How you got this? This is nothing but 60 plus 12. This is how you got. Now, how much? So now, what is your savings? Savings is nothing but your 130 minus 72. So 130 minus 72, what you'll get? You'll be getting it as 58. So that is your 130 minus 72. Okay, so basically you have to find whether it is increase percentage or decrease percentage. So from from 40, it is increased to 58. It is not decreased, right? So it is increased to 58 only. So what you can say? So it is plus 18, it is increased. So increase percentage. Increase percentage, I'm just writing upper arrow for increase percentage is 18 by original, which is 40 into 100, which is 0.45 is your answer. So this is your answer. Okay. 0.45 is your increase percentage. Okay. So I hope you understood it. And this is an MCQ question only. I've just taken the questions alone. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. If Narayana saves 20 percentage salary and if he receives rupees 14,500 as his monthly salary, find his expenditure. That is, I guess, easy. So salary he receives is already given. It is rupees 14,500. Okay, he saves 20 percentage of the amount. So saving is nothing but 20 percentage of his salary, right? So which will be 20 by 100 into 14,500. So otherwise 14,500 divided by 5. So you'll be getting the amount as rupees 2,900. So he is saving rupees 2,900. They asked your monthly expenditure. What is your monthly expenditure? Which is your total salary minus saving. So find the expenditure and let me know what is the answer for this question. I have solved everything. Just the last step, subtraction step. Find it and comment below. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. A man spends 40% of his salary on food. So his salary, he spent 40% on food and 1/3 of the remaining on transport. So remaining you're having. So first you're having a salary. Well, let us assume 100 as his salary. So this is his salary. Okay. So let me say 100 percentage. In that, how much he's saving? 40% is food. For food, he is spending 40%. In 100, 40% is 40 only. So so how much remaining will he have? He is having 60. Okay. In that remaining, 1/3 he's spending on transport. So 1/3 of 60 is 20. So 20 he's spending on transport. Okay. And he saves rupees 4,500 per month. So remaining 2/3 of this will be rupees 40. Okay. Then which he saves rupees 4,500 per month, which is equal to half of the balance after spending on food and thing. So I have spent on food, I have spent on transport. In this remaining, your half of the remaining balance he is spending on savings. So half of 40 is 120. So half of 40 is nothing but half of 40 is 20. Remaining half is not selling what? But this half is his savings. Okay. After spending on food and transport, he's having some remaining. In that remaining amount, the half of that is only his savings. So this 20 is only his savings. Rupees 4,500 is his 20. According to us, in 100, we assume the salary as 100 and that 20% of 100 is, so 20, this is basically 20, no? So we can't say it is 20%. That 20 is our savings in our 100. So how can you save it? So basically in her 100, in her 100 salary, he saves rupees 20. Okay, saving. And now the actual saving, this is like a previous problem which we solved in part 1. The actual saving is 4,500. So what you have to multiply in order to get 4,500. So we have, if you find the relation, the same relation holds for the salary. So for what salary he would save rupees 4,500. Okay, so basically 4,500 he'll 4,500, 20 is 2s are 40, balance 5, 2s are 40 and 100. So this will be 5. So he is multiplying 2 to 5. Basically 2 to 5 times more. Likewise, I have to multiply 2 to 5. So your answer for this will be 22500. From this, I have to multiply 2 to 5. So if the salary is 22,500, he'll save 4,500. If your salary is 100, he'll save 80. Okay. If you find the relation between this and this, simply same relation, you have to multiply it here. Okay. So rupees 22,500 is his salary. I hope you understood it really well. Now, there's one more question which is as easy. So kindly check the process and so if you want me to do, I'll do. Otherwise, this is a homework or this sum for you. Like working out sum for you. Kindly comment below. So mostly this will be a working out sum. If you want me to do, I'll just give you the steps in the chat box. So this is actually easy, which is similar to previous sums. So I hope you like this video. So kindly like it if you liked it and share it to your friends. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.